10 largest airlines in Africa based on their fleet size. Here are the top 10 largest airlines in Africa based on fleet size. 1. Ethiopian Airlines. Ethiopian Airlines operates a fleet of more than 100 aircraft, making it the largest airline in Africa by fleet size. It is also the only African carrier among the world's top 50 airlines in terms of fleet size. 2. Egyptair. Egyptair ranks second with a fleet size of around 70 aircrafts. It serves as the flag carrier of Egypt and connects passengers to various destinations globally. 3. Royal Air Maroc. Royal Air Maroc, a member of the One World Alliance, operates a fleet of approximately 60 aircrafts. It is Morocco's national carrier. 4. Air Algerie. Air Algerie, based in Algeria, has a fleet of approximately 50 aircrafts. It provides domestic and international services. 5. Kenya Airways. Kenya Airways, part of the SkyTeam Alliance, operates a fleet of around 40 aircrafts. It serves as Kenya's flag carrier. 6. Air Peace, a Nigerian privately owned airline, operates with a fleet of 30 aircrafts. It provides domestic, regional and international services. 7. Tunisair. Tunisair operates a fleet of 29 aircraft. It is Tunisia's national airline. 8. Comair. Comair, a South African franchisee for British Airways, operates a fleet of around 20 aircrafts. It provides domestic and regional services. 9. Arik Air, a Nigerian privately owned airline, operates with a fleet of 14 aircrafts. It provides domestic and regional and services. 10. Air Mauritius. Air Mauritius, with a fleet of 13 aircraft, serves the island nation of Mauritius. Although relatively small, it plays a significant role in connecting Mauritius to the world. It is worthy to note that South African Airways once had a fleet of more than 70 aircraft, but due to financial difficulties and the impact of COVID-19, it has significantly reduced its fleet to just 13 aircrafts. The airline has faced challenges since 2012. These airlines contribute to air travel across the continent, connecting passengers to various destinations. Did you enjoy watching this video? If yes, please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos, or visit our website at www.tfafreaknetworks.com.